So what is going on, guys? It's Christedix here, and today I'm gonna be telling you the things you should be doing if you want to build muscle as a natural athlete. Let's go! So, the number one thing you should be doing if you want to build muscle, it's sleeping enough. Sleeping is one of the most important things because sleeping allows your body to recover and rest. Sleeping 7 to 9 hours is optimal for humans. So make sure to get your sleep in and you will make gains. So the number two thing that you have to do if you want to build muscle is diet. So in order to stay healthy and build muscle, you have to have a balanced diet. So if you are in a calorie surplus, which means eating more calories than your body burns in 24 hours, you will gain weight. And if you are doing a calorie deficit, which means eating less calories than your body can burn in 24 hours, you will lose weight. For beginners, it's very possible to eat in a calorie deficit and still build muscle. For elite athletes, it's a lot harder, but it's still possible. And of course, for your muscles to recover, you have to eat protein. So meat and real food that contains a lot of protein is necessary. And also, if you want, you can use a protein powder.
Protein powder isn't necessary, but if you want, you can use it.
I'm gonna put on the screen right here which one I am using right now. So the number 3 most important thing for building muscle is to train, because without the muscle stimulation, your muscles will not grow. So for beginners that are watching this, you should train with very low intensity and perfect your form before going for a higher intensities. So right now I'm gonna have a relative physique update with no pump, and I just ate so I'm bloated. So you will basically see how I look after a meal with no pump. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.